Welcome to all. I am going to discuss total quality management. Under production and operation management, we are going to discuss about it. It falls under emerging trends in production management. TQM meaning, process, and application. All the things we are going to discuss. TQM meaning, process, and application. When we hear the word TQM, it automatically comes to your mind that maintaining quality. We obviously think that maintaining quality in the product, but the TQM is not like that. It is about maintaining quality in all aspect of the production. TQM is a management approach that originated in 1950s and steadily become more popular since early 1980s. This is how the concept of a TQM developed over a period. TQM is a description of the culture, attitude, and organization of the company that strive to provide customers with a product and the service that satisfy their needs. It means that organization planning of maintaining quality in all aspect of the activity, not only the final output of the product. It is about each and every activity in the organization. They have to maintain quality. That how the total quality of organization can be maintained and managed. Let us see the definition of a TQM. TQM is a management philosophy that seeks to integrate all organization functions to focus on meeting customers' need and organization. Here, I like to tell what is the meaning of a quality. Quality, it means satisfying need and wants of the customers. When organization able to satisfy the need and want of a customer, there the quality lies. To give satisfaction to the customers, it is expected that the organization to integrate all activities such as marketing, finance, design, production, customer service. All the things they have to integrate to provide good services to the customers. TQM views organization as a collection of a process. It is not a single thing. Each and every where you have to give your input. That how only you can make a TQM for your organization. The simple objective of a TQM: do right the first time, every time. It is expected that you have to provide right thing to the customers, not only the first time, all the time you have to provide good quality product to the customers. When you develop a TQM for your organization, these are the activities you have to carry out. To bring TQM in your organization, you have to do these are the things. First one, commitment by senior management and all employees. You have to get a support from all level of employees. Every employee, they have to give their support to develop TQM process in the organization. Not only maintaining quality in the production level, it is about even administrative activity. You have to develop TQM. Meeting customer requirement, that also you have to carry. Identify the customer's need and want, try to match it. There only the success of a TQM lies. Reducing development cycle time, the total production time you have to reduce by using TQM. For doing that, you have to follow methodology, just in time, demand flow manufacturing. These are the things you have to carry to for make a TQM effective in the organization. Improvement teams, you have to give some kind of a training to the employees to make them more efficient in doing the work, reducing product and service cost. Automatically, by bringing some kind of improvement in the production system and employee activity, you able to reduce the product cost. If the product cost is less, automatically customer feel more happy about that product. System to facilitate, you have to develop the system. That system, it has to bring some kind of effectiveness and coordination in all activity. Line management ownership, that is another part. There also you have to create who are all responsible for each and every work. That one you have to bring it. Last one, employee involvement and empowerment. Without employee we cannot bring anything in the organization. So employee improvement, involvement, it is a very very important thing. When you involve your employee, they automatically get empowered and bring more number of thing for the organization. 6 C's of a TQM. When you implement a TQM in an organization, these 6 C's you have to follow. First one, commitment. Commitment from all employees. You have to get a commitment from the workers. Quality improvement culture. You have to develop the culture. That culture focus more on the quality in every aspect. Next one, continuous improvement. Whatever the thing you do, you continuously improve it. That way you can bring total quality in the organization. Cooperation, that is a very very important thing. You have to get a cooperation from all workers, then it is easy for the company to implement TQM. Next one, customer focus. Whenever you do some planning, you keep your customer in your mind. Based upon that you have to do planning. That is about a customer focus. Last thing, it is about a control. Without control you cannot get the success. So to get a success, you have to follow systematic control in the organization.